A bag contains 15 green marbles, 3 red marbles, 7 orange marbles, 6 brown marbles, and 8 blue marbles. You choose a marble, replace it, and then choose again. So what is the probability of getting blue and then green? So first we need to know how many total marbles we have. We have 15 green, 3 red, 7 orange, 6 brown, and 8 blue. So I'm going to add these up. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 7 is 15, plus 6 is 21, plus 8 is 29. So I'm carrying that 2. And I do get 39 there. So out of 39, I need to draw a blue. So I look up here in my problem and see how many blue marbles there were. And there were 8. Then I have to find the probability of getting a green. We are replacing it, so I still have 39 marbles to draw from. And there are 15 green. Now, when you have the probability of 2 different things, and you want to know what's the probability of getting something and then something else, you have to multiply those. So I'm going to multiply across the top 8 times 15, and I get 120. And then 39 times 39 is 1,521. I see both of these are divisible by 3. So I'm going to simplify just a little. So I get 40 and 507. So the probability of getting blue and then green is 40 out of 507.